Accessing the Cochrane Library. The Cochrane Library is freely available on the web and can be accessed at cochranelibrary.com. Registering with the Cochrane Library. If you want to be able to save your searches for future reference, you will need to register with the Cochrane Library. Click to sign in, and on the following pop-up screen, click Register. A new window will open with the new user registration form. Searching the Cochrane Library using the Advanced Search mode. The Advanced Search option is located underneath the basic search box on the Cochrane Library homepage. Click on this to see Advanced Search options. The following page will appear with 3 tabs to choose from. Search. This default tab can be used to build a search by combining search terms using AND or OR. Search Manager. Use this for complex searches. It also enables you to include mesh terms in your strategy and to save your search. Medical terms, mesh. The Cochrane Library utilizes a thesaurus developed by the National Library of Medicine called MESH, Medical Subject Headings. The thesaurus is a set of terms used to describe medical concepts, and its hierarchical nature helps to define the relationship between the terms. Indexing articles in this way allows you to perform a more targeted search. The default option in Advanced Search is the Search tab. It enables carrying out more complex searches than the basic search option. Under the Search tab, type hypertension or high blood pressure into the search box. This will search for either of these terms within the title and abstract and look for them as keywords. Click on the plus icon underneath the left-hand side of the search box to include another term in the search. Select AND or OR to combine the first and second line of searches. In this example, denervation is entered into the second search box and combined with AND, since the records of interest are articles that discuss hypertension and renal denervation. Use the second drop-down menu to specify what part of the record the database should search. It is usually most helpful to search within title abstract keyword. A third line can be added to specify the interest only in articles that deal with infection in adults using adult. The complete search would look like the example. Limiting a search. Click on Search Limits to see options for limiting a search. Searches can be limited by publication date, for example, articles published between 2008 and 2018. Content type, for example, trials only. Further search tips. Some alternative spellings are automatically searched, but to be certain of catching them, use wildcards. Use brackets to control the order in which the search executes if using a combination of AND and OR. The proximity operator near can be used instead of AND to narrow a search. For example, smoking near pregnancy will find the 2 words within 6 words of each other in either order, so is more specific than using AND. Near/N will find the words within N words of each other in either order, for example, near/4. Using the Search Manager. Using the Search Manager allows to more easily build and save complex search strategies. Enter the first search term and then click Continue. On the right-hand side, the number of results that match the predefined criteria can be seen, and an additional line will automatically be added to enter the next search term. Combine results by typing the number of the search with an operator, example given and or. If the results are to include all of the terms in the above search, #1 and #2 and #3 would need to be entered in the last search box. To view the results for a search, click on the number to the right of the search line. Below the search, the option to save this search can be found. It allows to give the search a name and make comments. By clicking on Save this search, the search is saved online. Users must have registered and be logged into the Cochrane Library to do this. Once the search is saved, it will be available by clicking on View Saved Searches. Using medical terms, mesh search. What are medical subject headings, mesh terms? Mesh terms are assigned to Cochrane reviews within the Cochrane Library. These are controlled index terms and can be very effective in searching for every precise and targeted results. They are also used in other databases such as Medline and PubMed. The mesh search allows searching using the mesh terms and the tree structures. When searching with a mesh term, the database will bring back all articles that have been indexed as being about that term. The mesh thesaurus is organized hierarchically in trees, with the lower levels of the trees containing more specific terms. To search using mesh, once in advanced search, click on the Medical Terms Mesh tab. Type the search term into the box. By clicking the cursor into the Select Subheadings Qualifiers box, common search filters are being provided. Search terms can be filtered using these mesh qualifiers if desired. It is, however, important to keep searches as broad as possible. Use the Mesh Trees section to explode, widen, or narrow your search. In this example, Explode All Trees will expand the search to look for articles indexed under hypertension or any of the narrower terms underneath. Selecting Single Mesh Term, Unexploded, will search for articles under hypertension only and omit any indexed under the narrower terms. On the right-hand side of the page, the number of search results can be seen, below which the number of results is displayed by database. To combine a mesh term with other terms in the search, click Add to Search Manager. To view the results of the mesh search, click View Results or save the search in the logged-in mode. Exporting search results. An example, citations. To export results as a file that can be saved to a citation managing software, such as EndNote, tick the box to the left of the references of interest or click on Select All to select all results found and click on Export Selected Citations. From the resulting dialog window that opens, select the preferred format for your citations and click Download.